Are you hoping to buy a home in the near future? Here's why you should include newly built homes in your search. Newly built homes currently make up nearly 29% of available inventory. That's quite a jump from the typical average of 13%. But don't worry, they're not overbuilding. They're still making up for 15 years of underbuilding. So what does that really mean for you? Since the number of existing homes for sale is still low, adding these newly built homes to your search should open up your pool of options. And with builders focusing on smaller homes, that's brought the average cost of newly built homes down, which could mean better odds that you'll find something in your budget too. With more new builds to choose from and the potential for lower price points, it's worth a look. Let's connect to explore these brand new options together.